How to download files for free to make over $10,000. Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. I'm in Orlando, baby. Check it out, living the dream here. And listen, this is where I want you to be. But this is going to be the fastest video that you've ever watched to the end, because it's only two websites. It's a new site that would allow you to download a file from your computer or iPhone and make up to $10,000. And by the way, I'm gonna show you proof, undeniable proof that it works. Check it out. Smash the like button. Give me some love. Sub to the channel here. I'm in Orlando with my kiddos, with my baby girls. Hey, baby girl, say hello. Yeah, she said, hey. She won't get out the pool. Go to brandcrowd.com. Many people don't know about it at all, but it works. And everything, I promise you, is free. You don't have to spend any money. As a matter of fact, take your money, put it in your pocket, put your hands in your pocket like this, because you're not going to spend one dime on anything, okay? So check it out. So I want to show you how we're going to create a logo. And this is going to make sense as you watch the video, and don't skip. If you skip, you'll never make money. And another thing, believe that you can do this. You know, I'm sick and tired of you guys quitting and giving up. That's what the masses do. Do the opposite. Just keep going, right? Because I want you to be in a nice little mansion like this. This is my place in Florida here. I'm down here for a week with my kiddos, my baby girls here. But what about you? You'll be here too as well. So check it out. So say if I want to create a logo for free with this website, brandcrowd.com. Create the logo here. Very simple. And a lot of you believe that, you know, when you do logo creation, you think people are spending time going through very expensive branding logo software. No, we're not doing that. No graphic software as well. But as you can see here, I have over hundreds and hundreds of logos using I Love You West. Say if you're in the industry of, I don't know, a barber. I don't know. You just, here it is, barber here. And look at that, barber, all type of different logos here for your company. But I'm gonna show you how to make at least $10,000 here right now. A very sneaky, secretive way that people are making money online downloading files. Hey, by the way, did you smash the like button? Let's get it. Uh-oh, my battery's about to die. Okay, here we go. We're gonna speed up. So what you wanna do is, this is gonna be the site that you're gonna use, but this site here is Fiverr.com. Many of you have already seen Fiverr.com. They're gonna pay you money. They will pay you to basically design logos for them. Let me show you how. You type in logo design, and I have thousands of people in my course right now that I'll leave it in the description below that already do this here. Check it out. So you see this guy right here? He's already made, see, I said 10,000, but he's already made $20,000, right? Look, $250 for a logo, per logo, by the way. And he's had 1,000 people that have already ordered from him. So that's about 20,000, if not more. Wait, that's probably more. That's 250,000. Jeez! Can you say jeez? Right? This guy, 45. He's a teenager right here. And this is all around the world. And this is $45,000 using a site like this, right? It's not complex because the internet is powerful and many people just don't know. You just don't know. But now you know, because Wesley $1 billion Virgin is going to show you the way, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, I'm kidding, folks. Smash the like button if you like when I said, let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, I appreciate that. Look, so check it out. All you do is you find a profile on here. Let me keep it simple here. That has a ton of reviews and 5-star ratings. You click on this file, and what you want to do is create a brand new Fiverr account and model everything this guy has done. Everything. These words here, everything that you see on this page, you just model it, okay? You publish it to Fiverr with your free account, and then how the algorithm works with Fiverr, your profile will start to come up when they type in logo design. You have thousands, if not tens of thousands of people per hour that visit this site to get things done. So imagine creating your account right here, modeling the top one that's already making money, and just making $45 per logo. You know, you find the logo that you want. Say if they want a logo for a dress store. Then all you do is you type in dress store, right? Dress store for women. I don't know, whatever the name is, whatever the name of their company is, you type it in, and then you send them a few lotos. If they like it, if not, you say, well, which one you like the most? I can design 20 more if you want me to. And people will love it because you're doing it fast. People want instant access and they want instant results. Just like you, big head, you want instant results. Well, this is how you do it. And as you can see here, it is proven. It is people that are making tens, if not $20,000 per month doing this. Why not you? Now, I know you're thinking, Wesley, is there a simpler way? Absolutely. You have a program right now that will pay you to download dollars. It's called Download Dollars, okay? So if you don't want to do this manually, okay, and if you want another software to do it for you, a software that gives you the opportunity to download and make dollars like an ATM, and if you don't believe it, look in my description below, check it out, get it or not get it. But listen, it's up to you. It works. I use it this year. I'm doing what Elon Musk is doing. I'm in software, artificial intelligence. I just want a vacation and be out here with my baby girl in my nice little spot here in Florida here. I don't want to work for a living. I want software to work for me. So in the description below, 10 people, I'm going to give it to you, not $1,000 a month, $17. It is yours. But listen, if you click that link and it doesn't work, you're too late, baby. I love you, folks. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Look in the description below, grab it, and in the comment section, I love you, Wes. If I see that, then I will help you with download dollars to make your first $10,000 sooner than later. Let's go. Later.